Hello lovely crafters! Let's make these super easy Barbie bean bags. Let's go with style number 1, triangle bean bag. Basically you can use any fabric you like, but I prefer cotton or printed canvas. Then let's hot glue these two pieces. Somebody leaves a comment and asks me about why I never use a sewing machine. Well, because I don't have one. It's rather expensive, so I'm still thinking to buy one. Okay, now let's fill it with some filling material. Fill it till you're happy with the shape. Okay, we're done. Now let's continue to style number 2, round bean bag. First, let's make the patterns without printer. Why do I never use a printer solution? It's simple, because I don't have one. Let's go to the trickier part, but I'm sure you can do it. Just forget about perfection. Now, do exactly the same to the other part. It's just don't forget to leave this part unfinished. Then, fill it till you're happy with the shape. I'm just gonna fill it a half full. how do you like it? About this joint, if you don't really like the look of it, you can cover it with something like ribbon, but I'm okay with it because it's not gonna be seen. Barbie's gonna sit on it anyway. So, which one do you like? If you also like this rock, please stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, leave your comment down below, and see you in my other video. Bye!